How to know if she doesn't like you anymore. Look for some warning signals to see how she thinks about you if you think your relationship might be crumbling. Women can reveal their feelings through what they say, how they behave, and when they see you. You can receive a reading on your relationship that will highlight warning signs or give it a green light by paying attention to the little details and taking a step back to see the bigger picture. 1. Keep an eye on how she moves when she's around you. Her body will be in a closed body position if it is turned away from you, her arms are crossed, or she is leaned over to save room. 2. Take note of her eye contact. Making eye contact is crucial for body language since it might reveal a person's feelings. 3. Observe how heavily she touches you. One approach that girls utilize to flirt and express interest in a guy is through physical contact. She expresses interest in you by doing things like placing her hand on your chest, holding your hand, and running her fingers through your hair. 4. Observe how frequently she changes plans or claims to be too busy to go out. 4. A warning sign that something might be awry is canceling plans. While there are many occasions when missing a date is understandable, the danger zone is reached if it occurs more frequently than 50% of the time. 5. Take note of the kind of dates she desires. She might no longer like spending time alone with you if she frequently suggests double or group dates with friends or invites them to meet up with you on your dates. 6. Pay close attention to how she interacts with you at events like parties. She might no longer like spending time with you if she is frequently leaving the same area to talk to a different group of people. Going to parties and other social events without inviting you is another indication that things may be amiss in your relationship. We wish you all the best and good luck. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.